The post highlights a stark disparity in Nigeria's anti-corruption enforcement, contrasting former Kogi Governor Yahaya Bello's freedom despite EFCC charges of N80.2 billion embezzlement with former Anambra Senator Chris Ngige's imprisonment over N2.2 billion fraud allegations, framing it as ethnic injustice against Igbos. EFCC arraigned Bello in 2024 for diverting state funds during his 2016 to 2024 tenure, yet he evaded arrest until voluntary appearances in 2025, while Ngige was remanded in Kuge prison on December 12, 2025, pending bail for 8 counts of fraud and bribery from his time as Labour Minister. Thread replies echo widespread Igbo discontent with selective prosecution, citing historical patterns like Orji user Kalu's case, and demand systemic reform or Nigeria's dissolution to address perceived northern favoritism in judicial outcomes. That's it for today's gospel from Biafra Battle Cry TV, where truth is our weapon and freedom is our mission. We remain unwavering in our loyalty to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the liberation of our people. The struggle continues, and so does our voice. Share this message, subscribe, and spread the fire, because every voice counts in the fight for justice. Until next time, stay bold, stay vigilant, and stay Biafra. Biafra lives. Biafra rises. Biafra is our destiny. We say.